Hey there guys, welcome back to Genshin Stars. This is Genshin Impact Gameplay Walkthrough Part 5. Please like and subscribe. So, please be sure to check out my last video which was Genshin Impact Part 4. So, last time we were in the hunt for a luxurious chest. So, I found where it is. Now, I'll show you what a luxurious chest is. So you need to go to this location in Mondstadt, the Favonius Cathedral. On top of that, over here exactly, there will be a luxurious chest. Let me just show you.
Anything the knights can do for you.
So guys, I stopped climbing as my stamina was almost drained out. So I don't want to die from fall damage. And use your stamina efficiently. Because if your stamina finishes and you're climbing a steep mountain, then you might die of fall damage. So you have to go on this tower at the back of the cathedral. And there it is. This is a luxurious chest. This doesn't look as good as the precious chest, but the loot is way better. So guys, as you can see, I didn't get a very good loot from this chest as I am at a low AR level, that is adventure rank level. As you go higher in adventure rank, you get better loot from chests. Okay guys, so it's time to do a wish. I will do a So guys, you must be wondering what artifacts are. So what artifacts basically do is they buff your character. So be sure to put good artifacts on your character and do read the description of what they do. So there is a traveling doctor artifact which increases healing by 20%, and this is an adventure artifact which increases HP by 1000. So right now I don't have two of any of these artifact sets. So what I'll do is I'll just equip random artifacts. So guys, what I have in front of me, this ghost looking blue thing, is called a Seelie. what the Seelie does is, it has a fortress. Not a very big one, like this is a Seelie fortress. So the Seelie goes and sits in this, and it unlocks a chest. Like I got an exquisite chest when the Seelie sat in its fortress. So whenever you see a Seelie, just go near it and touch it. So the Seelie, and then follow the Seelie. The Seelie will go towards its fortress. And, it will then sit in it, and you will get a chest. The chest can vary from a common chest to a luxurious chest. So yeah, the rewards vary. This is a statue of the Seven which I have in front of me. I have not unlocked this. So what basically a statue of the Seven is it unlocks the area near you in the map. So like right now, before unlocking the statue of the Seven, there's like over here there's mountains and grass, but over here there is full blue area because I have not unlocked the statue of the Seven which is present here. So as soon as I unlock it, I'll be able to see my surroundings in the map. So let's just do that. So as you can see, I just unlocked this area. So what I have to do is I have to go there at the Temple of the Wolf. So let's just go there. One more fact about the Statue of the Seven is, if you go near the statue, these are the statue's blessings. So you tap on your character which you want to heal, and it will restore the HP. So my Statue of the Seven's restorative power is maximum 10,000. So if I fully use it, it will just recharge over time. So what I'm going to do is auto recover when nearby 100%. So whenever I come near the Statue of the Seven, it will automatically recover all my characters to 100% health. And I'll just level up my Statue of the Seven. So I collected the animalcule, which okay, never mind, I don't have an animalcule. So let me just collect it. So basically what I have in front of me is an animalcule. It looks like a Seelie, but a bit different.
Oh, it's one of those consolidated wind things.
So animalcules are used to
Let's head back to
upgrade
the
your
Statue of the Seven at Windrise and
So
offer
when you
it to the
upgrade your
gods.
Statue of the Seven,
It's a Statue of the Seven.
so when you upgrade
Let's
your
make
Statue
an
of the
offering
Seven,
and see if the gods respond.
your restoration power and stamina increases. So what you have to do to upgrade the Statue of the Seven is get the number of animalcules which are mentioned over. So you have to go into worship statue. So animalcule 0 out of 1. I have one animalcule. If I offer it, my Statue of the Seven will become level 2. But there is only Anemo statue. There is a Geo statue present in the game. So this gives me adventure XP when I upgrade the Statue of the Seven. And unlocks the wind current. So I'm currently over this side. So I'll just go to that wind current which I unlocked.
Feel the blessings of the Seven? In Mondstadt, people call them animalculi. They can be fitted into the statue's eyes. Some stories say the statue's eyes originally had gems that were taken by swallows, but animalculi never had a physical form from the start. People with visions collect them to offer to the statues as blessings. Unlike others with powers, you don't have a vision.
So you might
But
find
the
many
rules of this world don't
animalcules
apply
and
to you
geocules
anyway,
in
so
Adventure.
keep
I'll tell
offering
you what
animalculi and
geocules are
maybe
in
you'll
my
receive
later
more
videos. as I have not unlocked the Geo part of the Statue of the Seven yet. So there are different kind of Statue of the Seven. Like this is a Statue of the Seven Anemo, that is wind. But somewhere over here, like yeah, this is a Statue of the Seven Geo. So I have not unlocked them yet. So I'll whenever I unlock them, I'll start getting Geo Cubes, which are just like Animalcules but for upgrading Geo Statue of the Seven Geo. So I think I unlocked a wind current somewhere over here. I think I'm correct. I hope so. So guys, there should be a teleport waypoint somewhere here. Is it up here? There should be a teleport waypoint over here somewhere. Oh, and look, I found a common chest. So common chests are usually found everywhere on your adventures. So they are sometimes hidden and sometimes in plain sight. So this one was not exactly in plain sight. Aha. And the teleport waypoint which I was searching for was over there. And there's a common chest over here. Great. So as I was talking about, this is Kia, which I'll get after I complete this temple. So he looks really good. So I'll be clearing this temple in the next video. So that is it for now. The Genshin Impact download link will be in the description. So please like and subscribe. Bye.